It's about removing distractions so that your mind can focus on what matters. I laid out all the cables that I unplugged earlier, the clips that came with the cable organizer for it to be clean, discreet, and also easy to access. Let's be honest, if your desk looks like a fire hazard, chances are you're probably not operating at your best. I used to have wires running everywhere until I finally took the time to fix it. And now the results, cleaner setup, smoother workflow, and way less stress. And if you all are new to the channel, my name is Jimmy G. I'm a videographer and content creator, and today I want to share my experiences on how I cable managed my desk setup. My personal philosophy is clarity creates capacity. A clean workspace isn't just for the aesthetics. It's about removing distractions so that your mind can focus on what matters. Now let's talk about what I used for this transformation. Nothing fancy, just a few tools that made a big difference. First one on the list is the Vivo Ultrawide monitor arm for 49-inch screens. Then we have the J-channel Raceway kit for cable routing. Then cable organizer kit for extra control, followed by the Belkin 12 outlet surge protector, the 3M double-sided tape, and then two extras, which is the self-stick under desk drawer and an optional one, a heat gun for extra control when it comes to the adhesive of the 3M tape. All right, now let's jump into how I actually pulled this off step by step. So step one, first thing I did was unplug everything, total reset. The first step was getting that monitor arm installed, but to be honest, that Vivo arm took way more time than expected because without the monitor, the fluid mechanics of the arm is hard to judge, especially if it's your first time using one. But once I figured it out, it was solid. So once the monitor arm was set, the next thing on the list was the Belkin surge protector. To keep things clean and secured, I mounted it under the desk using 3M double-sided tape and reinforcing it with a heat gun for extra security. I positioned it right where most of the wires were getting fed through to keep everything centralized and clean. Investing in a surge protector with high joules is key. It offers stronger, longer lasting defense against power surges, keeping your gear safe and running smooth, especially here in Florida where we have a bunch of thunderstorms constantly. With step three, once the monitor arm was set, I installed the 100 by 100 millimeter bracket in the back of my monitor, mounted it super carefully and adjusted the height accordingly. Then from there, I laid out all the cables that I unplugged earlier and made sure to go one by one, plugging it into the monitor, then velcroing with double-sided velcro together and feeding it through the monitor arm cleanly as I possibly could. In part 4, with everything running through the monitor arm, I installed the J-channel racetrack underneath and I started bringing back each piece at a time to rebuild the desk, starting with my LED light stand, into the speakers, into the Mac, to the PS5, plugging it all in and hiding the wires as I went along. Leading us into the final part, which is the polishing. Any exposed wires, I wrapped them up in white tubing to blend in with the office aesthetic. And then any wires that were still dangling or wasn't up to my standard, I used the clips that came with the cable organizer that we purchased from Amazon and placed a few in different positions so that we could tuck some cables in for it to be clean, discreet, and also easy to access. And remember team, a clean space isn't just about aesthetics. It's about building an environment that supports your focus, productivity, and creativity. When your workspace is intentional, your cables are managed, and your gear is protected, you spend way less time fixing problems and more time doing what you love. Whether you're editing videos, building a brand, or just grinding out your daily tasks, a clean setup will give you mental clarity and the professional confidence. If this video gave you value or you're inspired to clean up your own setup, drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what part of your setup you're upgrading first. And if you want more content on workspace optimization, tech tools, and creator focus gear, hit that subscribe button, tap that like, and I will catch you all in the next one. Stay intentional. Peace.